Status.
Bodyguard.
Commander.
Rico.
Mission.
Mission. We're going to war.
Welcome to the Toys of War, a concise review of some of the modern trends in military research, military hardware, and the latest developments in military industry.
On February 11, 2025, Anduril Industries announced it would assume control over Microsoft's $22 billion contract to develop and produce the U.S. Army's Integrated Visual Augmentation System, IVAS. This transition, pending approval from the U.S. Department of Defense, positions Anduril to lead future hardware and software development for the program. The IVS program was initially awarded to Microsoft, leveraging the company's HoloLens technology to develop an advanced augmented reality headset for the U.S. Army. However, due to performance concerns and the need for battlefield optimization, Anduril Industries has now been tasked with refining the system. The goal remains to provide soldiers with enhanced situational awareness, navigation, and targeting through a cutting-edge augmented reality interface. The system includes a high-resolution waveguide display, thermal and low-light sensors, and an onboard processor powered by AI. It integrates real-time data from multiple sources, displaying tactical maps, target identification, and mission-critical alerts directly in the soldier's field of view. Connectivity is ensured through an advanced network backbone, allowing seamless communication between units and command centers. IVAS also features biometric tracking, which monitors the wearer's vital signs, stress levels, and fatigue, helping optimize performance and reduce combat strain. The headset is built for rugged battlefield conditions, offering impact resistance, all-weather functionality, and adaptive brightness control. Additionally, its mixed reality simulation mode allows soldiers to train in immersive environments without requiring large-scale physical setups. On the battlefield, IVAS aims to revolutionize infantry operations by enhancing coordination, threat detection, and combat effectiveness. With real-time overlays of friendly and enemy positions, automated targeting assistance, and navigation aids, soldiers can engage threats faster and with greater precision. This technology represents a step toward fully networked warfare, ensuring troops have the best possible advantage in modern combat scenarios. The Hypervelocity Projectile, HVP, is a next-generation guided munition initially developed as part of the U.S. Navy's railgun program before being transitioned to conventional artillery systems. After initial development, the project was taken over by BAE Systems to refine and integrate the technology into existing naval and land-based platforms. The goal is to provide a low-cost, high-speed, and precise alternative to traditional missiles for engaging a variety of threats. Designed to be compatible with existing 5-inch naval guns and 155mm howitzers, the HVP can reach speeds of Mach 5 or higher, utilizing kinetic energy to destroy its targets without requiring explosive warheads. This results in a safer, more cost-effective munition that can neutralize incoming missiles, aircraft, and surface threats. Its compact size also allows ships to carry a significantly larger number of rounds compared to conventional missile systems. The HVP is intended for use against a broad range of targets, including cruise missiles, enemy aircraft, small naval vessels, and even hypersonic threats. By leveraging guided flight technology and advanced materials, it offers increased accuracy and adaptability. Additionally, the projectile's ability to be fired from existing naval guns allows for rapid deployment without the need for costly new platforms or modifications. While an official deployment timeline remains uncertain, the Navy has continued testing the HVP in real-world scenarios. Some reports suggest that initial fielding could begin within the next few years, with the possibility of integration into the fleet by the late 2020s. The technology represents a major step forward in modernizing naval warfare and countering emerging threats. The UK Ministry of Defence has contracted General Atomics to supply the MQ-9B Protector, an advanced variant of the MQ-9 Reaper, to replace its existing fleet. The program marks a significant leap in unmanned aerial capabilities, featuring upgraded avionics, enhanced endurance, and compliance with NATO and UK airworthiness standards. The transition is expected to be completed by the mid-2020s, reinforcing the UK's aerial surveillance and strike capabilities. Protector boasts an impressive 40-hour endurance, all-weather operational capability, and a multi-mission payload suite. Equipped with advanced electro-optical/infrared sensors, synthetic aperture radar, and signals intelligence equipment, it enhances situational awareness and target acquisition. Additionally, it integrates a detect and avoid (DA) system, allowing it to safely operate in civilian airspace, a crucial advancement over the Reaper. A major upgrade in Protector is the introduction of SATCOM-based takeoff and landing, which eliminates the need for a local ground control station at deployed airstrips. Unlike the Reaper, which requires a line-of-sight (LOS) connection for launch and recovery, Protector can be fully controlled via satellite from command centers thousands of miles away. This allows for greater operational flexibility, as the drone can be deployed from remote locations without requiring extensive on-site infrastructure. The SATCOM capability enables seamless global operations, reducing the logistical footprint and personnel requirements in forward operating areas. By using satellite communication to maintain continuous connectivity, Protector can be managed from centralized control hubs, minimizing risks to ground-based operators in conflict zones. This also allows for rapid redeployment and mission adaptability, making Protector far more versatile and resilient than its predecessor. The UK Ministry of Defence decision to replace Reaper with Protector is driven by the need for a more capable and adaptable platform. The new drone's enhanced endurance, compliance with airspace regulations, and improved survivability make it better suited for modern warfare and intelligence operations. With full integration into NATO networks and a broader range of mission sets, Protector ensures the UK remains at the forefront of unmanned aerial capabilities for years to come. General Dynamics Land Systems has been awarded a contract to integrate the U.S. Army's new Stryker Enhanced Armor, SEA, onto the Stryker vehicle platform. The transition of this program from the Army's DEVCOM Ground Vehicle Systems Center, GVSC, to GDLS marks a key step in enhancing the vehicle's survivability. Over the next 6 months, GDLS will conduct a System Functional Review, SFR, to assess SEA's integration and performance on the Stryker fleet. The SEA is designed to improve protection against small arms fire, artillery fragments, and certain anti-armor threats. The Stryker's base hull is made of high-hardness steel, providing frontal protection against 14.5 mm armor-piercing rounds, while bolt-on ceramic composite armor enhances all-around defense. SEA is expected to incorporate advanced materials, potentially including reactive armor elements, to counter shape charge threats and improve resilience against kinetic energy penetrators. The upgraded armor aims to offer improved defense against 30 mm armor-piercing rounds, which are increasingly common on modern battlefields. Additionally, SEA may integrate energy-absorbing structures to reduce the impact of roadside bombs and explosively formed penetrators, EFPs. The development also aligns with future modular armor concepts, allowing rapid adaptation to emerging threats with scalable protection kits. The SEA program enhances the Striker's operational survivability while maintaining mobility and deployability. By integrating advanced materials and layered defense strategies, the initiative ensures the Striker remains a capable and adaptable combat vehicle for future battlefield conditions. The project's success could pave the way for further armor advancements across the Army's ground vehicle fleet.
If you find information in this video interesting, please like and subscribe.